Let's talk about the best spices and herbs for rheumatoid arthritis. Now, what's the difference between a spice and an herb? Herbs are the leaves, flowers, and stems of plants. Spices are the seeds, the fruit, the root, and the bark of plants. Now, rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease, which means that your own immune system is attacking itself, mainly the joints. It's called the synovial joints. And you have a lot of inflammation going on, and it's really your own immune system that's creating all the damage. All the inflammation involved is creating a lot of collateral damage to your joints, including free radical damage, because the immune system is making a mistake. It's attacking its own tissue instead of the pathogen or the virus or the microbe. So with rheumatoid arthritis, you really have a big problem with the T cells. There's a couple different types of T cells, the helper T cell and the killer T cell that is doing a lot of destruction to your joints, not to mention the antibody attacking the joint. But there's also another T cell called the T suppressor cell. Another name would be the T regulatory cell that is supposed to turn off this immune reaction. It's supposed to calm the fire. And I think that is where the bigger problem is. Your immune system is not balancing this reaction. So by using certain spices and herbs, you can not just decrease the inflammatory process, which is creating all the damage, but you can also strengthen the immune system. You can also improve the antimicrobial function if there's some chronic infection there. But let's just go through the list. Number one, we have ginger. Ginger has a very potent effect of lowering leukotrienes. And these are one of the weapons that your immune cells use to kill pathogens. So ginger can help reduce that. Thyme is an herb. It's antimicrobial. It's a very powerful antioxidant. Then we have turmeric. It's an anti-inflammatory, a very powerful anti-inflammatory. It also reduces the free radicals that are creating all the damage. Cinnamon is known to decrease C-reactive protein, which is involved in the inflammatory process. Garlic is probably one of the most potent antimicrobials, antiviral. It's definitely an antioxidant. Then we get number 6, black pepper, which decreases cytokines. Cytokines do several things. They're communications. But as far as this cytokine, we're talking about an inflammatory compound. So black pepper is an anti-inflammatory. And then we have one of my favorites, oregano. Now, oregano will decrease several weapons that the immune cells use to kill pathogens. Now, other things you can do for rheumatoid arthritis that are essential is start to increase your potassium. There's some very interesting data that if you can increase your potassium up to 5,000 or even 6,000 milligrams a day, you can really reduce a lot of the symptoms from rheumatoid arthritis. So that's something you might want to try. Also, decreasing your sugar consumption, of course, I'm talking about keto, is very important. And I will put a link down below of a video to show the relationship between sugar and the immune system. Very important. Going on a fast is one of the best things you can do for any autoimmune condition, especially rheumatoid arthritis. Vitamin D is the other key factor in that, because vitamin D is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It's involved in just about every immune reaction. So vitamin D in higher levels is vital. I'm talking about 20, 30, 40, 50,000 IUs. And if you did that, you'd probably experience some really good relief from rheumatoid arthritis. Also avoiding any type of vegetable oils like corn oil, soy oil, canola, cottonseed. They're omega-6 fatty acids, very inflammatory. All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.